We had 206 videos, and we had 6 judges judging them, and we all met a couple of times. And we have total of 13 awards. We have the grand prize, and we have 6 categories with the runners-up and the winners. And they were tremendous videos this time.
Coming out to the final and the last award for the night, and probably the last video that you're going to watch today, is the grand prize of this award show, the whole IFA grand prize. And I would definitely love to have a gallery view, please, and all the 6 judges and the presenters give away the grand prize winner, and we'll watch the video immediately after that.
I think let's all announce together.
Okay.
The grand prize
goes to Dr. Sheetal Raj.
So Dr. Sheetal, congratulations.
Yeah.
4-flange
Well,
technique.
it's simplifying the simple feasibility of 4-flange technique with a new design of a foldable IOL. But let's have a look at the video because it's exceptionally good, and you must all go watch it on the IIRSI website.
In the original 4-flange technique, the 5-O-proline suture is fed in the lumen of a hypodermic needle within the anterior chamber and exteriorized through a sclerotomy 2 millimeters from the limbus on either sides. In our modification, the double needles are pre-prepared by feeding a 5 cm long strip of 6-O-proline suture into the lumen of a 27 gauge needle under direct or microscope visualization. The needle is then introduced into the sclera 1.75 millimeters from the limbus and the suture advanced within the shaft of the needle. Once the suture is visible in the anterior chamber, it is grasped with a microforceps and exteriorized. The same is repeated on the other side, 180 degrees apart. The suture ends are then passed through the eyelets of a non-foldable IOL and cauterized to create flanges, following which the IOL is positioned behind the pupil, outer sutures pulled anteriorly and cauterized to create 2 external flanges, which are then buried under the conjunctiva.
Well, congratulations, Dr. Sheetal.